Ringkat bat ka perthei ka Jowai Blood Bank Centre ru kalakan mau burom ya ka World Donors Day da ka ba Pynkup burom ya ki kin huan bat riu shimet ki baju senyang snam Asia ka jaka kin show snam ne Jowai Blood Bank ka badan hapana liar Jowai. Ya ka jialang la pelong ha conference room ka Blood Bank Centre ha ka ski balang ha ka jingdon lang ukong san uwan kraw kupar kharbuli MCS ka Medical Superintendent District Civil Hospital Yalong ka Dr. Rita Poorman ka in charge Jowai Civil Hospital Blood Centre ka Dr. P. Syllad bat kiway. Ha ka jing Pynkup burom la ai ka jing sngongu kerpang ya u special santurnya ubala senyang senam la arfusan sien kumjo ya u socially kamar bat 1 mi lalu kibala senyang senam marship hosien UWK kharbuli ha ka jing kran ulaong ya ka nikasngi la kan mau burom man usnam ban pen sngo tho pat ba halor ka jingdan kam ban senyang senam sngewbha bat ban songu ya kinong senyang senam kibala ya rap ban pen em ya kibrio. Ha kani kasngi la pelong ru ya ka jing ai snam sngewbha bala pelong da ka Meghalaya Cricket Association and West Jaintia Hills District Cricket Association ringkat ka jia trailang ka Blood Bank Civil Hospital Jowai ha ka ba sangut ki dekhat kila ai snam sngewbha.
This World Blood Donor Day is celebrated. The reason for its celebration is to celebrate the birth anniversary of Carl Landsteiner, who is an Austrian-American biologist and Nobel laureate, who discovered the ABC blood group in 1900s. But most importantly, apart from that, this day is well remembered to raise awareness regarding the importance of blood donation. This day put emphasis on the wholeheartedness of those few individuals, most importantly the groups that come forward to donate blood without the expectation of return. They do donate their blood voluntarily without any expectation in return. That is a very big message that we should learn from this event. That by donating blood, we can help others, especially those who are in need of blood, those who are sick, those who are in hospital and care centers who really need blood. I would also encourage others who are healthy enough to come forward, because their contribution, it will ensure and it will also help those who are in need. And also we should remember that this year, if you go by the theme, give blood, give plasma, share life, share often. So if you go by the message of this theme, the thing that we can learn from here is that the voluntary and continuous blood donation, it is going to ensure a sustainable supply of blood, which is really indeed required, so that those who are in need of help, they can be helped immediately.